Let's say you're doing your inspections and you find a number of items that you're not happy with. Are you allowed to request a credit in lieu of repairs? This is a little bit tricky, but the short answer is no, you are not. The Arizona residential purchase contract specifically states that the buyer must provide the seller with an opportunity to correct the items that they disapprove of. So we're not allowed to just say, hey, we would like $1,000 instead of that repair. We have to give the seller an opportunity to correct the item that we would like repaired. Now, we could say to the seller when we send in our repair request, hey, we'd be happy with $1,000 credit if you don't want to actually go to all the trouble of doing that repair. But it is important that we actually give them an opportunity to correct it. Most of the time, the seller would prefer to give a credit anyway. We're just not allowed to officially ask for it that way on the repair request document.